later today, though. I don't forget that.
What up? We got cookies out there already. Cookies is ready to go, huh? You ready to go, cookies?
Zen is ripping.
Yes, sir. We're ready to do it. Here we go.
I'm a little bit off today. Something down inside me's different. Woke up a little off today. I can tell that something's wrong. I'm a little thrown off today. There's something going on inside me. I'm a little bit off today. A little bit off today. I'm a little bit off today. A little bit off. See, I'm a little bit off today. I cannot put my finger on it. Got up a little off today just to play that same old song. I don't really want to try today. I see nothing in my reflection. I'm a little bit dry today. I feel like I could die today. I'm a little bit off today. I feel like I could die today. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Don't you know? I'm a little bit off. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. You gotta let it go. Just a little bit off. I'm a little pissed off today, and there ain't nothing you can do about it. I'm a little put off today, and I could not tell you why. Got a really strong fuse today, everyone around me's fucking crazy. I'm a little ticked off today, a little pissed off today. I'm a little bit off today. I told a little white lie today. I smiled and told someone I loved them. I had to say goodbye today to someone that I love. I couldn't even cry today. I think my heart is finally broken. Didn't need a reason why today. I don't need a reason why today. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, don't you know? Hey, yeah, hey, you gotta let it go. I got a little too high today. Got lost inside a sea of madness. Crashed a little bit hard today. Crashed a little too hard today. Everybody sing. Hey, yeah, hey,
Welcome, guys. On this fabulous Wednesday afternoon, we will have Mr. NODEITALL in here tonight, talking about the market. Where are we going? We going up? We going to zero? Where are we going?
I'm a little bit off today.
Yeah.
Something down inside me feels so different. Just a little bit off today. You can all fuck off today.
You can all fuck off today. Hell yeah. No day, no dollar. We got 25 more episodes that we hit number 1,000. Holy shit. What's up, Cookies? How you doing today? Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. We'll have Shane here in a minute. I think he's taking a leak or something. So, yeah. What do we got? We are on the Arc. On the Arc. Arc's getting some buy pressure going today. Some big buys came in. They got their air card thing that they're working on. They're still doing shit. So the price is holding $1. I will take it. I will take it. Oh, take whatever I can get. We got 6 people out there, guys. Who's out there? So far, I see cookies. So far, I see the cookies. Oh, there's the Shane.
There I am.
There's the Shane. What up, man? What's going on?
Not much.
Not much. Yep. Just been chilling in the voice chat all day, forgetting about your chores.
Yep.
Yeah. Noise.
Yeah. Whoops.
Whoops. Oh, what's up, Franklin Tower?
But it's okay. I got some hockey here in a couple hours. And I'm going to fuck some shit up. Not really, but I'm going to fuck some shit up. I'm going to pretend fuck some shit up. Today's the 21st, yeah. 8:45. Damn, my clinic's almost halfway over already. Tell me, bro, I'm gonna be the first fucking 43-year-old guy drafted into the NHL that sucks at hockey.
That'd be funny.
Maybe like, look, I identify as Wayne Gretzky. You can't tell me otherwise. And then after my first 2 seconds on the ice, I'd get fucked up and be like,
set timer for 11 minutes.
Just kidding.
11 minutes. Counting down.
Yep. So Drip getting fucked on today. Broke that little trend line. So yeah, where's our guy to tell us Drip is dead? Where's he at? Where's he at today? He's got his day today. We got oh yeah. Did I just hear Wannabe Whale coming in?
I was checking to see.
Dude, is it working?
Yeah, it's working. What's up,
you heard
IR Scraper? We got IR Scraper in the house. Oh man. Yeah, so yeah, we're just going to continue to do our little compounding thing we do every day here. And just hope for the best. She's minting hard right now. Minting really, really fast. Where are we at? Oh, I need to go this one. All right. Today is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. So this would be a. This is a compound, right? Yeah. So take that yesterday. Compound. Hydrate. Oh
Man,
shit! This one will be playing. What up?
I was just reading the freaking Elon Musk AOC parody Twitter.
This is a claim. I might actually make some money from Drip today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, a little bit. Wednesdays are I guess a couple of my big account days or something. At least one of them. Oh shit.
Yeah, this is all I mean, I honestly don't see Drip getting much out of where
Hey,
we're
what's
at.
up, Johnny?
What?
Yeah, I'm certainly not compounding CGL. Oh, got him.
Woo, shots
Got him.
fired!
Got him!
Fuck you, nigga! Fuck you, nigga!
There you go. More like it.
That was
Yeah, at
Charlie's
least this was
response
still
for
fucking
it.
paying, dude. Yeah. I don't believe it when I see it.
Fuck you, nigga! Fuck you, nigga!
They're coming back. They're coming back. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, man.
Yeah.
No, I'm on a schedule. I have like several different accounts, so I compound some. I compound like 4 days, claim 3 days, and it's it builds it up and builds it up and builds it up. Plus, I get a little bit each day.
I've been compounding drip
been
again
working.
too.
I mean, this thing's been fucking printing for 2 years, so I've made way more than I put in.
Right. And for me, with when my masternodes had dropped so low, drip was garbage too, but it was just enough added on top of my masternodes to keep me afloat the last few months, you know. So I have to appreciate that. Even with these shit garbage prices. I mean, putting, you know, 20 to 40 bucks a day every day.
Yep. Yeah, this thing's still paying like $100 a day, at least, almost two. Some days, if I pull it all out, yeah, between 1 and 2, which pays my fucking bills, which is better than I can save for some shit.
Poor Charlie. He's like, I didn't show up for this. Fuck you.
Right.
He's over
Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga.
Gonna find him and hunt him down, right, Charlie? Oh. Hopefully it doesn't have to come to that. They just give us our money.
Yeah.
Be good to just get paid again. Everybody's happy.
Yeah, I hate to say I was right again about another thing, but it's looking like
Got him!
well, this was one that I shouldn't say I was right. I just was openly cautious. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I kept saying that out of all the shit we were dealing with at that point, I felt that one was the most legit, likely to keep going thing.
Yeah.
So I mean, who knows? That's what I like. Just stay positive. They're gonna pay. That's what I say. Just stay positive, and if not, fucking we've been watching Charlie fucking training on his fucking Facebook, bro. He's gonna snap their necks and shit. He's gonna get him into,
right?
get him into an arm bar.
They're doing that Jeet Kune Do or whatever.
He's gonna get them in an arm bar, rip their arms off, and then beat them with their own arm.
Yep.
We've been watching you train. We know what's going on.
Beat him with his penis.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Don't beat him the way BlackSheep wants you to beat him, because that's beating them off. Would that be beating them off if you beat them with their own penis?
Pegging. Go peg him.
Damn, that's a shitty thing to, because drip is supposed to be ripping right now.
Yeah, I know, dude. It fucking sucks. You know, B&B. What the fuck you talking about? B&B my ass.
Yeah, well, that was the thing. Like, as soon as Trader's Domain started having the issues, I started saying, well, are these guys really a part of Trader's Domain? Or are they honestly another victim of Trader's Domain? Could go either way. You know? Because we had people like Mad Dog, who was using Trader's Domain before we even heard of CGL, and you know, on his own personal little thing he was doing.
Huh.
Oh yeah, I thought that they claimed that they got didn't they claim they got that money back from Trader's Domain though? Like the liquidity was freed up from them. I could be wrong, but I could have sworn that's what the hedge fund was saying.
Yeah, that's what they're saying. But what the fuck they say and what they do are two different things.
Yep. It just sucks. Like, and I remember too, right when that was going, is right when I saw the fucking, because that's one of the things I would say to you, because that's when I had seen the Bernie Madoff thing, and I'd always be like, well, actually, Bernie Madoff was like the biggest name in
Madoff
in the industry, and he fucking did this shit, and you're like, you're a fucking retard. Because that, to me, like, if someone like Bernie Madoff could do that and get away with it for over 40 years, like, it's in a bad way, and it's scary, because that means really anybody, if they're good enough, could fucking get away with these scams, dude. I mean,
yeah.
Bernie Madoff's scam was like real world. I mean, the name of Bernie Madoff, the dude was in line to fucking run the SEC. You know, he was the what did he sat at the head of the board for the New York Stock Exchange or some shit like that at one point. Like
Shit.
He was the fucking stock market. He was a fucking market maker.
Right.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. That's what I'm saying too. Like, I could be wrong, but I thought they said that they had fixed that, that they got the liquidity back. They fixed the liquidity issues, but I could have misinterpreted.
They were telling us. But
yeah,
we'll see. Time
because,
will tell.
well, yeah, try and I mean, it doesn't look good, but you never know. They could be, you know, victims, if you will, of Trader's Domain, just like everybody else, or they could be in bed with them. You never know.
Yeah, it could be. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking.
Yep, Madoff was the most successful fucking man on Wall Street. He was the largest market maker, and to be a market maker, you have to, what is it? You have to, I don't remember the exact numbers, but you have to move the market something like collectively like 10% a day, a week. I might be wrong on the number, but it's crazy. Like the amount, like when you're a market maker like him, is you have to buy and sell a certain percentage of the market every day or every week, whatever their time frame is.
There we go. What the fuck?
Yeah, and it was sad. Madoff's like one of his sons ended up committing suicide behind all that shit. Like after the fucking, just the shame, you know, that his father put their family through.
Shitty.
Yeah. I mean, you're a weak pussy if you killed yourself over that, but at the same time, it's like the guy, like, how low must he have felt like for what his father did? Now Cross is out getting it. Cross, where were you earlier when he was trying to say that he never said that, you cocksucker?
I know.
Even after I posted videos, he's like, no, after that. You said, you dumb fucking cocksucker. Prove when Richard Hart ever fucking said 10 to 11 was the minimum. In the video I clipped, he said, well, specifically 10,300, but I just rounded it to 11,000. I was like, oh my God. Well, that doesn't count. That call didn't count. I'm talking about after that. You fucking retard. Fucking trying to cherry pick it once you're proven wrong. I'm so sick of that faggot. Dude gets proven wrong all the time and then tries to cherry pick. It's a fucking loser. Yeah, hopefully people are listening. Like that little video today that Richard Hart put out, I was even like, you know what? That's actually, I would like to see more stuff from Richard Hart like that. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That day that fucking Richard Hart said that, Hoddle fucking went and sold all of his shit because he's a dick rider on Richard Hart, and Richard Hart said that.
Huh.
That was funny that day. He sold fucking all of his because he even hits me up. I'm sorry, man. I'm selling my master. It's going to fucking 10,000. And I was even like, because Richard Hart said so today. Oh no, that's not why. Like, yeah, right, yeah. And because at one point he said Richard Hart said it's dropping, and then he sells it like within a couple hours, and then said that had nothing to do with why he did that. It was funny. People are like, fucking, I don't like fucking liars, dude.
Yeah. Liars be lying.
Yep. But if the current Richard Hart, when he does show his face, kept up, I'm not going to say I'll ever like the guy, but I can appreciate him being, you know, more humble and not a douchebag.
Yeah.
And
$80 from Drip. Hey, there's something. And
little bits, right? It all adds up.
little bits.
It's officially now almost to where Furio's not even worth claiming when you're putting 1.1 Gwei for the gas.
Damn.
It's only like
I
on a
thought they were
maxed out,
bringing it back.
on a maxed account after even using like the anchor RPC and doing 1.1, you're only profiting maybe about a little over $1 a day at this point.
Huh.
So it's I mean it's $1 more than you would be making, but it's almost to where it's like quite literally not worth the gas at the cheapest.
Right.
We'll see, man. Crypto market overall is trying to turn around. I think BlackRock had played a big part of that, even on the retail end, because when people hear that, it makes them feel better.
There we go. Then I had some trading gains, sold some M's in, so almost $300 today. Not bad.
Ooh, that's a good question. We should have this debate.
What?
Who was the worst maxi fag at their peak, Frackin' or Wannabe? I think, and I don't mean this as as a person that I like both of them actually, but Frackin', as soon as shit started going bad, he started crying, and real quick he just fucking poof disappeared. You know, Wannabe Well still was coming around as like, you know, even when we booted him, he was coming around like, remember that female Lala Crypto, and we figured out it was him. Remember that? And he finally admitted it. I think that was the name. Because Wannabe Well at least stuck to his convictions and didn't run away with his tail between his legs like fucking Frackin' did.
Yeah.
And Frackin' took it so personal, like when we would talk shit about Furio, like as if we were like we had just raped his fucking cat or something, you know, like he took it real personal.
Raped his cat.
Best way to describe it. So, you know, that's the difference too. Like, Wannabe Well, he's still out there pushing it. He don't give a fuck. You know, we could be like, hey, Wannabe, you're an idiot. We don't like Drip. He'll be like, cool, that's your opinion, and he'll keep pushing it. Fracking goes, you guys are mean. I'm going home. Oh yeah, and he said, "Oh, the Furbot. Oh, not only that, you got to remember when I kept telling him, bro, we were a bot trading group. You don't know shit. Our group collectively are the experts, not you and those fucking retards. Oh, you don't know. They know better than you, and they've got to. They're gonna have it as a set it and forget it, and it's just gonna take a little bit of time. No,
Where are my whales at? Where are my whales at? All right.
Yeah, nothing. Frackin' did. He was like at the same level of Wannabe Well in the sense that he really was barely in crypto, didn't know shit about fucking crypto, and kept trying to tell all of us OGs what it was like and how it would turn out. Just like early on, Wannabe Well would remember, we'd all tease him. We'd be like, "Motherfucker, ain't you only been in crypto since fucking Flow?" That was like 2 projects ago. What are you looking at, Black Sheep?
This fucking fight video on Twitter. Damn. Got tapped out. Tapped out. Holy shit.
Bitch.
Yeah, I thought the neighbor was about to fight with a contractor. I guess the guy just talks loud. I thought the guy was yelling at my neighbor and about to whoop his ass. Hey, how down is the fucking Furbot? How much have they been stealing out of the back end lately?
Damn. Damn. I probably can't show that one on Twitter or on YouTube. It's okay on Twitter though. I'll share it in the chat though. See if I can share it in the chat. Yeah, I'll share it in the chat. Here we go. Damn it. There it is. Anybody want to watch that fight? It's in the chat. I'm not sure if I should share that one on here or not. I mean, there's no blood or anything, but it is pretty fucking crazy. Oh, man.
Say, go, Knights, go!
Go, Knights, go!
Go, Knights, go!
Go, Knights, go!
Is researching all this stuff.
Oh, God.
And I know exactly what.
Oh, God.
Oh, fucking funny. The fact that you caught that like that, I didn't even realize I did that.
Yeah. There was someone else caught it. I think it
Oh.
was
Cross probably.
it was Hex Crystal Meth.
Oh.
He caught it in one of my posted it on I think on in a comment or something.
Oh, that is pretty funny.
Or maybe it was Cross. Could have been Cross in the one of
Cross
those
is
two.
usually good at that, catching that.
Yeah,
shit.
he caught another one. What was it? I can't remember. But yeah, it was funny shit.
You ain't gonna play hide the pickle with me, PCM.
All right, that's enough of that.
We got
And who
17 people out there.
Somebody already added Norbertron back into the group. He just hasn't
I
said
think
a fucking
NODEITALL should
word.
be here soon. Y'all ready for some expert TA today? Where the hell is he?
Mr. TA.
Well, until he gets here, we're just gonna, the usual content.
You don't even know what you're saying. You was sucking that motherfucking dick. Girl! You sucking that motherfucking dick. You don't even know what you're sucking that motherfucking dick.
You sucking that
That's
motherfucking dick.
Mm-hmm. Oh, classic.
At that point, if that was your kid, do you just laugh and let it continue, or do you backhand?
I'd be dying if that was my kid. You'd have to pick me up off the ground. Holy shit.
So then after you get picked up off the ground, do you smack the shit out of him and be like, don't talk like that?
I don't know what I do.
I don't know either, dude.
I don't know, man. What
Especially with that whole animated. That's what makes it better. Like if she was standing still going, I would be like, well, I probably would have been like, where the fuck did she learn that, huh?
Yeah. That means my girl was probably banging some black dude. That's what that means. And that's not my kid.
All right.
I thought she was my kid. Nope. Oh man. BTs, yeah, he's got some NFTs.
Oh,
there he
shit,
is.
here we are.
Wow. There he is. I literally just messaged you. When are you coming on? Asking, ye shall receive.
What's up, guys?
What
How
up,
are we?
Mr. NODEITALL? Welcome to the stream.
It's been a good day, right? Everyone's happy. Bitcoin's ripping.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, Bitcoin's going up. But drip is fucking dipping.
Drip on the dip, man. Drip on the dip.
Yeah.
It's all good. We had daily and 2 day and 3 days oscillators pointing down after it tried to break out.
Okay.
The problem with drip is that there's a lot of selling pressure, right? There's just people just selling.
Well, there's a lot of minting going on right now.
Okay, so
It's
the fundamentals aren't too good with drip, right? In terms of buying pressure coming in, right? So they gotta do something about that to really drive the price back up.
Yeah, that's what this drip drop draw thing's supposed to be, but it keeps getting delayed. So,
well, I'm sure he's doing that on purpose. Because what's going to happen is we're going to go into this last parabolic leg for Bitcoin up to about 40 to 45K. And, and, you know, all these altcoins are going to go fucking nutso, right? They're going to probably double up from here. Some of them.
Yeah.
And some of them maybe even do more than that. Depends on the coin. But yeah, I mean, and then I think that's it for the year. We're going to see this run, this falling wedge breakout that we had, the massive wedge breakout, right? And I'll show the chart. Yeah,
I saw it.
Yeah, so hey man, I mean, you guys know I call this breakout 2 days before it happened, right?
Yep.
There it is. There's that wedge break right there. Boom.
Yeah, I was actually on my stream talking like if it goes through these lines, it's basically going to go fucking to 30 straight to 30K, and it did.
Yep. we gotta now get price action.
Blind squirrel found a nut yesterday.
Yep.
Nice. Yeah.
It did. It went right to that mark, right? That yellow line, sheep.
Yep.
Then it bounced right.
Yeah. It went straight to the yellow line, but then like after that, there was really nothing even holding us. See, I'll show what I had on my screen. Real quick. What was it at? A Bitcoin chart. Yeah, XRP looks like it's about to fucking rip too, right?
Oh yeah. Look at the Stokes at the bottom there.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, my Bitcoin chart. Yeah, I got my Bart Simpson on there. Sometimes we get those Bart Simpson patterns. But yeah, it was like this line right here. As soon as it broke this and that, that outer channel or whatever, like it went straight
right
to,
now. It's sitting right on that.
It went straight to my old my old supports and resistances I had plotted, and then it just kept busting straight through all of them, all the way up to 30K.
Yeah, lots of pressure because it was in a squeeze, right? So when you make those wedges, you build that pressure. It's like a pressure cooker, right? So
yeah, then it just fucking bursts.
Yep. Just kind of like what we did here on the major pattern.
That was like 2 months of downtrend. We just fucking wiped it out in like fucking 2 days, dude. Like
one candle. Yep.
Basically one candle. Yeah. Straight up, dude.
Did you guys see that the trade I posted on Mara? The Bitcoin mining stock that follows Bitcoin, right? The falling wedge on Mara with the breakout, and you see this big consolidation right along the daily 200-day moving average. So we took an option trade here at $10.50 the day of the breakout, right? Yeah. yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
So my option is up 300% overnight.
Nice.
And I'm just
So it
sitting
has
on
a little lag behind Bitcoin or something?
No, when Bitcoin moves, this asset goes up like almost 3x. So yesterday, when Bitcoin started its run, this stock was up 17% on the day.
Damn.
So you can only imagine what that does to an option.
Yeah.
Send it. Yeah, send it.
Send it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I made a video about it. I actually made the video as I took the trade at 12 o'clock the other day. And,
Nice.
well, yeah, man. So I think this is the target here for Bitcoin. One of the targets is close to this $48,000 region right here. Probably might overshoot to 50K. That's the fib extension. And, yeah, I think we're going to go into this leg now. It's just going to be, you know, I think we're going to bust right through this tomorrow or the next day. It's going to we're going to break this trend line right here. We're going to go probably touch and test, you know, the fib extension, and then maybe we might pull back a bit and maybe hold the 30K level as support, and then another leg into the 40K level, and then we might get another consolidation, right? Just stair step your way up.
Yep.
That's it. As long as we continue to hold the daily 200-day moving average, you see this cross we had here, and we just held this line up. This is how you know we're in an uptrend or going into a bull market. So this is the beginning. This is the beginning of a bull market.
Nice.
That's it. We guided you guys through the bottom. Now we're going to guide you guys into the top.
Yeah, I just actually on Reddit, a cryptocurrency, I just got why we're on the verge of the biggest crypto bull run in human history. And it goes into all the different ETFs and everything that are all being filed between Grayscale, BlackRock,
yeah, it's
Fidelity.
gonna be fucking crazy this year, dude.
Wisdom Tree is now applying for a BTC.
You get the DeFi total on there?
Yeah.
This is just total. You want DeFi total? Yeah, DeFi total is a good one.
I was seeing that on
TradingView. Yeah,
you were talking about talking about it the other day. Yeah.
Yep. So double bottom, right? So far on the weekly chart, you got the stochastics crossing up, beautiful. And so this is going to, yeah, dude. DeFi is about to do some stupid shit. Like look at the weekly ADX cross we got, bullish cross, right?
Yep.
How do they do that? How do they find like they get total DeFi? It's all the networks everywhere that they're
monitoring all the decentralized networks.
I hear him. Yeah, I hear him crying. Yeah. I don't know how they aggregate it, but it's probably all the DeFi coins.
All the money flowing into smart contracts, basically.
I don't think they have the backend data like that. I think they're just tracking all the DeFi perp coins and all the coins that exist. Yeah, I don't know.
Like
I don't
chains. What's on the chains themselves? Maybe like each blockchain.
Yep. Here's AVAX. I know you're dying to look at it. Yeah. So AVAX broke the downtrend. We broke out of it. Now we've made a double bottom down here on AVAX. All right.
Okay.
So to me, from a technical perspective, I think it looks good for lots of upside. Look at this candle you put in today. I mean, it has a lot to do with Bitcoin running, but yeah.
You think that's a good long setup right there?
Yes, sir. This is a weekly chart.
What's your best? Do you have any best like long setups right now? Like,
do you want a shitcoin play that I got myself into? Do you want a shitcoin play? All right, it's called Zigzag. All right,
Zigzag.
It's a decentralized exchange on ZK Sync. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I've heard of it. Yeah. I've heard the name Zigzag.
So what I really like about this is the squeeze happening. Look at the weekly squeeze, right? So we got the squeeze, we got the signal. If we go to the 2-day chart, you can see it's about to just do some stupid shit, right? So, and you got the stochastic crossing up on the 2-day chart. I like to look at 2 and 3-day charts so that I know what's coming in the next couple days, so I can still remain patient in my trade. You not get antsy, right? So. But again, you're at the bottom of a range. You made a double bottom down here. You got a nice wedge set up. And even if this thing like just goes back to the top of this range, that's 80 cents, a 4x trade, right? That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And if you break this range, there's no trading volume here. This thing just went straight down. So if Bitcoin does go and make a blow off top, why can't this thing go to $4, dude? That's a 20x.
20x. No.
I think this thing can easily do the 4x. Like, why not? Just go to the back to the top of the range.
Well,
I didn't put a lot of money into it. I put like $500, but yeah, I mean, if I can 4x $500, that's a couple grand, right? I'll take it, right?
yep.
Yeah, man. Oh,
yeah,
Flow.
was a nice setup.
Flow. Look at the volume on Flow, dude. The highest volume candle we've seen on Flow since fucking
Flow, yeah.
back here, bro.
Flow.
This thing bottomed out, dude. It's done. This is the bottom for Flow, okay? And here's why. Here's why this is the bottom for Flow. All right? You have a low, a higher low, a third higher low on the weekly RSI. So you got basically triple RSI bullish divergence. This low right here was the lowest low on price the asset has ever made. Okay.
Yeah.
So the sellers are done. There's no more selling. It's done.
Yeah.
Now it's just buy pressure coming in, right? And look at the fucking squeeze, man. And we just triggered the volatility. Yep, we just triggered the volatility, right? We triggered the volatility down here. And there's your 3-day early buy signal on Flow. Okay. And another coin that I really like long term is HBAR. All right. And I told you guys, my brother is involved with the project. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have a vested interest, and I believe in my brother and what he does. And I also have a huge setup on it too. It's not just because my brother's involved, but it helps that my brother's involved because, well, he can tell me what's going on behind the scenes, you know. And
insider knowledge.
Yeah, get some insight. It's good. So I think I had this drawn on my other chart, but yeah, it's in one hell of a fucking squeeze, man. All right.
Yeah.
It's in a 2-week squeeze. Here's the HBAR chart. There it is. There's the beautiful thing that I drew out. All right. So you have the harmonic pattern. You have the low, the automatic rally off the bottom. Got the rally, and then you consolidated and you're making this wedge pattern. All right. And you guys know how I feel about wedge patterns. And you not only that, on the 3-day chart, you have the 1, 2, the triple RSI bull div down here. There it is. So you know that this was the bottom for this asset.
Yep.
Now we're gonna see some fireworks. You guys ready?
Yep.
That's it. Now we just sit back, relax, and watch the show. While everyone and their mother tries to buy the fucking top.
Yep.
Yeah. No, I'm just kidding.
Is Pulse ripping cookies? Pulse?
Hex, I think I called the bottom on Hex for you guys the other day, right?
Yeah. Oh, Ethereum Hex?
I don't know. Yeah, that has all the data, so I think I just charted it there. Yep, there you go.
Oh, that's the bottom.
That's the bottom. That's your third touch point on the trend line. 1 here, 2 here, and your third here for the capitulation low. Yep.
Okay.
And if you go to the RSI, I guess maybe the weekly. The weekly looked pretty good. Yeah, look at the weekly RSI. You see how you're diverging down here? It's not as clear. It's not as clear cut as like a flow or like a one of these other charts, but yeah, this is the buy zone. You want to be if you're a Hex fan, this is where you want to be buying Hex. Oh, Filecoin's about to rip, crossing 80.42 on the stochastic RSI. That means Filecoin is ripping. Yeah, dude. Oh shit, long signals coming in.
Filecoin,
Aptos. Oh, we just started a new day, yeah. So Aptos. Also.
Yeah, so I got Filecoin on my Binance futures.
You still have the trade open?
No, I don't have it. I'm saying so. That looks like a good long
Filecoin
setup. Yeah,
it's a good long-term setup. Yeah, definitely. Huge,
no, long. I'm talking about long for just because I made some money on that INJ. So
yeah,
I need another one.
You can rip into File. I just got a signal that just fired.
Nice. There we go. I'm going in.
Okay, go on.
I'm going in.
Look at your RSI, bro, on the 3-day chart. Look at this. What's that?
What's that? Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4 higher lows on the RSI. You see the accumulation happening here, man? This thing is going to the fucking moon. Filecoin's going to do something.
Yeah, I just want something I could just forget for a couple days and just let it go. That's what happened with that INJ. I just fucking I didn't get that much profit because I sold too soon. But
If that's
I
what
know-
you want, just go bit hard on Bitcoin, man.
yeah, I mean you could, yeah.
Could really buy any of
But
these.
you get more profit on the shit coins.
I know. Way
You don't even
more.
have to go that hard.
Way more
Oh,
potential upside.
How's Pancake Swap looking? This thing is wrecked. Oh my god.
Correct.
What happened to you, Pancake Swap? Wow. That's 3 touch points on the wedge. All right. You see it? 3 touch points. 1, 2, 3.
On what?
That's Pancake Swap. That's the bottom for Pancake Swap.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, look at the
Okay.
look at the RSI. Low, higher, low. You're diverging here on the 3-day chart. Not that I would buy this, but yeah, I mean, like if you were to buy it, this is where to do it. And yeah, you can trade to the top of the wedge. That's almost a double up. And if you break that, well, you know where you're going. You're going to $5. Right there. That's where your target would be. At least short term anyway. And you break out and you back test, right? Make another higher low. We have any special requests tonight?
Pancake. Yeah, this Filecoin looks good.
Flow's ripping, dude. Let's go. Send this fucking thing to like $5 for me.
Yeah, I would go into Flow, but they don't have it on the Pancake Swap perpetuals.
Oh yeah, they don't. Yeah, it's its own block. It's its own blockchain. It's not on Binance Smart Chain.
No, some of these aren't on Binance, but they I think they just let you trade them.
Yeah, if you're trying to make more Bitcoin, that's definitely a good play. If you're trying to make more dollars, then chart it versus dollars. Elephant. Smellephant. Wow. Yeah. Looks this is the chart, right? Elephant BNB.
It looks like it. Big old fucking blow off with the dump from the.
You want to eat? Are you hungry?
The fucking thieving shitbag.
Hmm. Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's easier to look at it versus the dollar because it's not as choppy looking. What we could do is this cross. We could do Elephant BUSD chart versus BNB USD, and then we'll get the same chart, but it'll be a little bit better looking. There you go. Yeah. So this is Elephant BNB for whoever was asking about it. And yeah, you're in a parabolic uptrend. And yeah, you're flagging up here. You could see this, break to the top. Maybe even go to the top of the channel. Am I going to cry for selling my profit into drip? It's like I'm going to cry right now. I don't think it's going to matter, though. We might get one more retest of this low, guys, on drip. Yeah, I don't like how they're 3 days topping out on the momentum here. This is not good. That's not good.
On the monthly?
On the 3 day.
Oh.
That means we have like days of downside to come.
Yep. Sure we do. Would not be surprised. Keep compounding.
Yeah. So drip probably comes back down to like 22 cents or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just broke down. This is still in technical terms, this is still a bear flag. Because
Target of 1 cent or what?
I mean, your target right now is like 24 or 25 cents, like this low right
Okay.
here. Right, this was broke out, back tested as support, then rallied. So it'll probably come to here, this 24 cent region. And if it breaks 24, well, you got 23, and then you got the bottom, which is 21. So those are your levels on drip.
21 cents. Holy shit! People are gonna be scooping it up at that price.
Yeah, I mean, it would be really big confirmation if this thing came all the way back down here and made a double bottom like this. That's pretty strong. Yeah, that would actually give it its juice it needs to really rally out of here. So, see if we get it.
We'll see. Holy shit!
Yeah, but how many more millions will be minted between there and there too? Every time it dumps, there's like millions more minted every time.
Sounds promising.
Hydrate every day. INC. Yeah, can you look at INC?
That's a Pulse. Is it on there?
Yeah, it's on Pulse Chain.
No, but is it on
Should be
here?
on No, it might not be.
Well, because I know Pulse and Pulse X
Go to plsburn.com. Yep, INC right there. Just hit the little chart thing in the corner of it. Middle of the screen. There you go. There you go. Now you get all your tools. He likes it dark.
Oh wow, I never even realized that. Like, till you just darken it, there was a difference like that. Yeah, I guess mine looks. Mine looks gray. Yeah, mine. Now I'm looking at it. Mine looks gray in the background now after seeing that.
Huh. It's like, damn it! I got to set up a whole new chart.
Right? He's like, fuck OCD. Like, oh, son of a bitch.
Pretty much. Right? This looks
wrecked, right?
Yeah, it looks interesting. What do we got going on here? Okay,
it's the Pulse Chain farming incentive token, basically.
Looks like you did a full reset, so that's good. You're holding this level as support. You can see the volume that's receding. Your RSI is like neutral on the daily, so that's good. Your 4 hour, your stochastics on the 4 hour are coming down. The hourly, they got a bit of a reset. It looks like maybe a consolidation at this level. You got your top of your range here to break. It looks like you made some sort of double bottom, and you didn't really get any follow through price action on this. Meaning you didn't really get any buying pressure to come in yet on this. But yeah, it looks like maybe there's some accumulation happening. You have this low, you have a higher low, and maybe wait for a third high. If you get a third higher low here, that is 3 rising valleys, and that would be a signal to see some more upside, right? Like if this bottoms out here, then you could probably get a push up to the top of the range. And then if you break the top of the range, looking left on the chart, you can see you have a level here. It's like twig and thatch, so probably just break right through that if there's really some buying pressure. And then you just got levels all the way up. But yeah, it looks like maybe you're trying to round out a bottom of sorts. You clearly broke this downtrend. You can clearly see that this is making some sort of rounding type of bottom type of structure, which usually goes way up. So be patient if you're in it. I don't know what it does, but looks good. Zen chart.
It's just a farming rewards token on Pulse, so it's gonna have a lot of sell pressure constantly on that thing.
Oh, so then that's not good. Then the fundamentals of this coin are not good.
Yeah, that's why when people even ask on that, it's like, really, like, why are you asking that one? It's a rewards token.
Yeah, you probably don't want to be buying this then. There you go.
Yeah, it's a fucking hyperinflationary piece of shit.
Yeah, don't buy that coin, guys. But
so what you're saying is it's hyperinflationary like drip.
Hex looks good with this low and higher low being made here.
That's what we need to stop, dude. If fucking hyperinflation on drip.
Yeah.
Because with hyperinflation, that kind of takes, like, when you do TA on something, though, it kind of negates it at the same time, right? If there's like major hyperinflation, it's hard for you to really be accurate, right?
So yeah, when I was talking about drip and it being respecting this wedge pattern, it just won't have the performance that a normal wedge pattern would have, right? Like it won't maybe see as explosive of a move because there's that much more inflation and that much more selling pressure coming in on it. Right.
Yeah.
So instead of the wedge going all the way to the top of the wedge, maybe it just goes to $5.
Which, dude, if it would go to $5, I would be beyond ecstatic. I mean, fuck yeah.
I'd be pretty happy about it too. But yeah, so like I said, maybe one more drop here for drip. The 2 and 3 day charts don't look so hot. If we get that retest and we confirm that this is the low, then that would be really good to load up some more drip, right? But I would say hold off for now, guys. Just keep compounding what you have. Don't add to your bags just yet until we get that confirmation.
Tips are appreciated.
Yes, they are appreciated. I thank you guys for doing that. Let's see. Let's look at some of the majors like Quant. This is a big coin. I hear that this one is going to be doing some big stuff in the space.
Shit.
This looks pretty amazing. Look what it's doing here. You guys see this big resistance level? Once it breaks that, there's really nothing here. It will probably just moon. And that's a wedge pattern if I've ever seen one. And yeah, it's pretty coiled up. It's looking pretty good there.
Looks sick.
Yeah. Go flow, baby. Send that shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm sending Filecoin.
Yeah, send it. Filecoin looks sick, dude. It hasn't broke the 3-day RSI wedge yet. When this breaks the RSI wedge, bro, the price is just gonna fly through this pattern. It's just gonna
What's the next target?
The next real swing target, if this is the bottom for the asset, the swing target is the double bottom formation, which is all the way up here at the neckline, which is $9.50.
Oh fuck! Oh, so it hasn't even broke out of that wedge. Oh shit!
Yeah, bro. Wait, there's huge volume coming on this thing. You better stay in this trade for some days.
Okay.
I'm thinking stay in this trade through July if you can do it.
Okay.
Just sit back, relax, and watch a show, bro. I'm not even kidding with you, bro. This thing is gonna get some stupid fucking volume that comes in when it breaks out.
What is it? FIL?
Yes.
Yeah, Filecoin.
Yeah, man.
Holy shit. Okay.
Hell yeah, $5 would be amazing.
We're at the bottom, right? Looks like a bottom.
Yep, it is the bottom.
It's like fucking triple RSI divergence and shit.
Yeah. Look, it's just like it's quadruple RSI bullish divergence down here. Yeah, you got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. These lows were all lower lows on price.
That's on a daily 3-day. Oh, 3 days.
That's a 3-day chart, man. That's a significant time scale. There's no fake outs. There's no fake outs on a 2 and 3 day chart, guys. All right. I've never experienced a fake out on a 2 or 3 day chart.
Wow.
And look at the effing squeeze, man. Okay, this is what I'm talking about right here.
Effing squeeze. Hands.
There it is, dude. There it is. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I don't own any Filecoin, but if you have capital liquid and you want to park it into an asset, this one is probably going to do very well for you.
Okay.
All right.
Cool.
Somebody asked about stocks. What stocks? I actually just took a trade on Spirit Airlines. And what do you know? What do we got? What's that? It's the node wedge. And we got a monthly buy signal or a 2-week signal, I think. Yeah. This is going to run, dude. It's going to run hard. It breaks out of here. I'm still in this GFAI stock. It hasn't really done anything for me just yet. Today it attempted to rally out of here, but the NASDAQ pulled back. And yeah, this is also in a stupendous squeeze here. Like this right here is something you do not want to ignore. Do you see that?
The squeeze?
Yeah. That's a squeeze and a half, man. I hope it doesn't squeeze short. That would suck. But this is telling me that it's not going to squeeze short because we got a daily bullish cross. So when you get the directional telling you that the bulls are in control of the asset and you're in a squeeze, you're going to probably see this thing break to the upside in a big way. Like if the NASDAQ has a good day tomorrow, this thing is probably just going to rip to like $10. Like I'm not even kidding you. We could see this thing rip 100% in one day.
Holy shit. That's crazy.
It's not. It's just it's building up this pressure.
Yeah.
You know? And you can see the volume started to come in here today. It started to come in here today, even though the price was down 3%. Yeah. And here's another one. Blink is another one. This one doesn't look as good as that chart does, but yeah. We'll see about this one playing out. This one may not play out, but yeah. Let's go to the daily. So skinny wedge and squeeze puts a smile on Shane's face. How could it not? I mean, you have a 70% chance to break to the upside with a wedge pattern, right? Like it's.
Is that what it is? 70%?
67%. Yeah.
That's basically, yeah, it's good.
Yep. It's a really.
So have you been getting more followers and stuff on your YouTube with your shorts?
Not really, man. I probably need to do videos differently or something.
Keep it up to shorts or what seem to bring a lot more. Like I do some dumbass shorts showing my fucking car and it'll get like 1,000, 2,000 fucking views in a few hours. It drops off real quick, but it'll just be like boom out of nothing, you know? So if you keep doing the shorts, they'll start. It'll work. And you had better energy. Like the first one, I saw what you meant when you said people said it was low energy, but the other ones were more upbeat and a lot better.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep the energy levels high. It's tough, man. I'm a very dry person. I'm not like a super energy.
I still remember the first time I heard you make a joke. It scared me a little bit. I was a little worried. I don't remember what the joke was, but I was like, wait, what was that? Did fucking Evan just make a joke?
Yeah.
Yeah.
GameStop looks really good on the monthly chart, guys. Real good. Yeah. Real good.
Fuck. I need to fucking put some money in the trading account.
It's all good. You got a bunch of crypto stuff working for you.
Yeah, I do.
So don't worry. You can't buy everything, dude. Fucking flow. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's time. What a rip, dude. What a rip off this low. That is a hell of a rip, man. I wouldn't be shocked if this thing just literally went to $3 off this low when Bitcoin goes to 40K or whatever. This thing is so beaten down, man. Like, look at this fucking thing. Fucking wrecked.
Man, these kids are lazy. I just watched on my monitor. My stepdaughter dumps the trash out. At the trash cans are still at the street from we took them out today, and doesn't even bring it back in. She just goes out to the street and throws it away out there and leaves the trash can. I'm like, really?
Yeah.
So between all the wedge patterns, I think Flow and Filecoin have the biggest upside potential.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm fucking aping into Filecoin right now. So.
Oh.
I need to buy more flow. No, I don't. I'm done. I have too much flow. I have so much flow. Question is do I have enough to make me a wealthy man? That's the question. Do I have enough? The answer is I think so.
Maybe, hopefully. You at least get enough so you can take a trip down to go see the
I'm already
Titanic,
in the green,
right?
$1 on this one, but I gotta add more to it because this is bottom the fuck out, dude. This is crazy bottomed out. Even on their shit, and their shit only started. Oh wait, yeah, no, it's been free. They've been fucking trading this one for a while.
Filecoin, yeah.
It's pretty bottomed out.
They're going to try to deem it as a security, and it's going to come out. They're going to come out with news of saying that it's not a security, and that's going to be the big breakout out of the wedge pattern.
Well, because they're trying to say it's a security right now.
It's not a security.
What is it again? It has its own network, right? Isn't that what file?
They're trying to say it is, right?
It's a file sharing protocol. It's one of the biggest file sharing protocols that exists today.
Okay.
File sharing is in like Napster type of like peer to peer.
Well, it's more cloud based, right? Blockchain based.
Okay.
Yeah. You can look in the details, but Grayscale owns a big bag of fucking Filecoin, man. Like it's not going anywhere.
Nice.
Yeah. Now we just gotta sit back, relax, and watch the wedge pattern.
Keep my money working for me. That's all. Keep my money working.
A $7 flow target, I think, it's feasible. It's feasible.
Yep. Well, this Filecoin you said could hit like $9, some shit. That's fucking crazy.
Oh, we're back over 30 grand on Bitcoin right now.
Yeah, we're going in.
Come on.
Let's look at that tether chart, man. How wrecked is that shit? I think it's fucking wrecked, I bet. Oh, man.
What, tether dominance?
Yeah, bro. Like what? Like head and shoulders pattern type of fucking wreck? Let's go. Fucking wreck this thing. See ya. Right back to the bottom of the channel where you belong, Tether.
Well, File is the Twinkle Toes twins? Is that what he's saying?
I don't know if it is or not, but maybe.
Yeah, imagine being the fucking Twinkle Toe twins, dude. Like, you got fucking two muscular, good-looking brothers got destroyed by some fucking little tiny, ugly little troll when he stole fucking Facebook.
Right.
Like the guys that could get the girls versus the guy that couldn't, but he got Facebook. So, who's really the loser there?
All right.
Tearing up my flow when I'm with you.
Nice. I had a $3 liquidation. I was like, what the fuck? And then the rest of the money went through. Now it's 83-cent liquidation. No, I got 83-cent liquidation on Filecoin. I should be good, right?
Yeah, it's not going to 83 cents. It bottomed out already. Just leave that fucking trade on for the rest of the bull market and let me know how it goes.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Just forget about
it. It's only $50 margin. But
just go ahead and forget about it.
He's like, I'm up $20,000 and I got 30,000 in fees.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I know.
I'm serious though. Just if you guys are opening trades down here, like this is the bottom of the market. Like this is the place to do it. If you're gonna do it, this is the place to do it.
Okay. Cool.
You're gonna get breakouts, and then you're gonna get back tests. Like these are gonna break out like 100% and then pull back 50 type of thing. You know, like that's what these things do.
Yeah. Damn.
Just pay attention to your stochastic RSI oscillator.
Okay. Yeah, I got it up.
It's all you need to know. When that thing tops out, start selling into that move, and then rinse and repeat and re-enter on the reset when it makes a higher low. Yeah. You'll see, man. When you start using that stochastic, it'll really change your outlook on how things look on the chart.
Yeah, it's been working.
You couple it with the RSI, and you couple it with looking left on the chart, and what's Bitcoin doing? Yep. This strategy is life-changing strategy, all right?
Hell yeah.
So
hopefully it's been working. I've been learning a lot, you know.
Good, man. Good. You guys should all be learning a lot. And
I learned more with you just coming on our streams than fucking I've learned my entire probably 7 years in crypto, 6 years, whatever.
there you go, man. There you go.
So
appreciate it. Appreciate you having me on the stream. Lots of YouTubers don't like to do collaborations of any sort. So I appreciate you letting me on here.
Oh, man.
Not that I come on here trying to shill anything. I just literally like talk about charts. You know, like I'm not like one of those guys that's like, hey man, you gotta buy my product, dude. No, you don't have to do that if you don't want. But if you want to support me, that's great. I appreciate that.
Oh yeah.
And actually, Gabe appreciates that.
Oh.
DMTR. Look at it.
DMTR.
It's a shitcoin. All right, let's shitcoin it. Oh yeah, shitcoin. All right.
Let's shitcoin it.
All right, so we're fibbing from the wick high to the swing low. All right. Yep. So it looks like you based out. I'd be careful though, because this. I mean, I'm not saying this is a head and shoulders pattern, but it could be. So just watch out for this wick high. If you can close above that wick high, you negate that pattern. And I don't think it's going to form that pattern, but if it does, you know this is a level to watch, this 6 cent region, okay? But right now on the weekly, you made a nice bullish pin bar, and you got some follow through. You're getting some follow through right now. That's good to see. The 3-day stochastic is pointing up, looks beautiful, okay? You got this nice structure you built here. You had this little fake breakout. That was a fake breakout. But yeah, you look like you're making some sort of ascending triangle here. So bottom of the triangle, the top of the triangle is 156% measured move. Once you break out of this thing, 156%, you'll probably go up to the next Fibonacci level, which is basically 18 cents. This thing went straight down. So you're looking at an asset that's going to go probably straight up. Okay. Hopefully that's helpful. And yeah, you broke this downtrend with high volume. All right, high volume trend reversal. So good pick there, Crypto Clan. This looks good. I'd say it looks good.
I'm showing weekly stochastics bottomed out, pointing up on Filecoin. Is that what you're seeing?
Yeah, dude. That thing hasn't even started swinging up yet. That's what I'm trying to fucking tell you.
Okay.
It should start, bro. It should start, dude.
No, I just got a boner, dude.
It's literally, it hasn't even fucking crossed the 20 line yet, bro. That thing is a huge fucking buy. Huge buy. Like if I had $1 million liquid right now, I just shove it on to Filecoin.
Oh my god.
Like, yeah, bro, you're already lit on your trade. You have to be.
Yeah. It's up a few bucks already.
My man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, bro, this is on my TradingView pro. If you guys, by the way, if you guys aren't going to support STP, I would like you to follow me on TradingView and immerse yourselves in the TradingView ideas that I do have. And if you could, if you like any of these tokens or any of these patterns or any of these things that I'm doing here, if you could, put some comments and feedback and things on here, that really helps me grow on TradingView, which is my direct audience, which is traders. So if you guys could do that, that'd be wonderful.
Yeah,
that'd be great. Get me some more visibility on TradingView. How many people we got on the show tonight?
We got some peeps.
Nice.
Let me see what we got. We got 13 right now.
Let's go.
Thank you all for joining us.
You guys are all about to change your lives. All right. And by the way, that is my mission right now, is to change 1 million people's lives, whether it be folks whether that be folks that, like I said, do or don't support what I do. But if you're listening to me and you're around me and you're learning from me, I'm impacting you. So you count.
Yep.
Does the change matter? Like, is it a positive change or a negative change? I mean, it just meant 1 million people.
Yeah, you're right. Just change. He wants to change their life, even if it shits on their face. It's gonna change their life. He's like, you 10, I shit on your face. Life's changed forever. The rest of you, millionaires.
Right.
No, that's cool. That's a good.
You're supposed to laugh, Evan. That's called a joke.
I'm sorry. Somebody was asking me about flow in my.
That was that dry sense of humor.
He wasn't too sure. He's all thinking, this fucking nasty German fuck. I'm not shitting on anyone's face.
Hey,
What,
hey,
like
hey,
one of these
hey,
Scheisse
hey,
Germans?
Hey.
Don't worry, not all of us Germans are into the Scheisse thing, buddy.
Scheisse.
Oh ja, es sind mi Scheisse.
Nice. Filecoin's ripping, dude. It's up 1.3% already since we started talking about it. Rip it.
Yep, Filecoin.
You know that this show, we talk about shit and then it happens right afterwards. Like, we talk shit about Richard Hart and he tweets exactly what we're talking about. And we talk about coins and they rip right away. Like, I think we might be the market makers and we don't even know it.
Can you talk about me hitting the Powerball?
You got a chart for the Powerball?
I don't care about about all the 8 balls you're hitting on the weekend, buddy. That's a problem all of your own.
Oh man.
He's all, the Powerball is when you put an 8 ball up each nose at once.
IMX about to make a move. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. This coin's gonna go to the fucking moon.
Oh shit.
Oh, it made a capitulation low that negates the inverse head and shoulders, but this is a wedge pattern. And this is about to break out of its wedge. That is for sure. It's breaking out of it right now.
Nice.
I don't know what to do, man. There's so many wedges.
They're great.
Yeah. You guys have any good stocks to look at?
No.
No.
You think a lot of the YouTubers, like the stock YouTubers I watch, I haven't been watching their videos, but seeing the titles, a lot of them still think that that the market hasn't even crashed yet. Overall, what do you think that that there's still that much more downtrend potential in the stock market?
Just watch the NASDAQ, dude. So this is the trend line on the NASDAQ we're watching right now. And yeah, the NASDAQ can pull back. This is a perfect channel of the NASDAQ. Literally, it's respected this channel since the 2008 financial crisis. See this shit? Look at the touch points. And just trending. This was the COVID crash. Boom, down to the bottom, rip. Hit the top of the channel, dump. Down to the bottom of the channel, rip.
Right.
TA's fake, bro. I hate people like that. Yeah, so the 3-day, you can see how extended this is. This is going to pull back. Yeah, this is going to pull back in probably a big way, the NASDAQ.
Is that going to affect Bitcoin?
No, what's going to happen is they're all going to roll into Bitcoin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we're going to get a sector. We're going to get a sector rotation. So the NASDAQ's overbought. I don't think the S&P's overbought just yet, but it's getting there. Yeah, the S&P's overbought.
Yeah.
But it could stay overbought. Look at the S&P how overbought it stays. It stays overbought like a long time overbought.
Yeah.
And even when these stochastics cross down, you see here you got a sell signal. This thing didn't even dip. It fucking went down like what, like 5% and just fucking got bought up and they just ripped it. Yeah, man. I mean,
right.
Let's go to a quarterly chart. How about that? The 3-month outlook for the stock market. Yeah, this looks like it's about to make new all-time highs. How about that? Look at the 2-month. Look at the 2-month, dude. You're gonna short this fucker?
Right.
Yeah, no. Maybe short-term pullback, right? Short-term downside, sure, but not long-term. Not in the 2 month. Like these hedge funds, they purchase. They look at 3-month charts. They look at quarterly charts.
Yeah.
Or 4-month charts, but I look at 3-month. Okay. And yeah, man. I mean, yeah. You got a massive parabolic uptrend. Look at this. Look, you broke it. You back tested it. And now you're going to rally right off that fucker. This is the S&P 500, dude. Okay. You know what NVIDIA did? You want to see what NVIDIA did? You guys know what NVIDIA did, right? Just remember this. This is the S&P. Let's look at NVIDIA. Look, same thing.
Damn.
Breakout, back test, and fucking see you later, dude. Yeah, dude.
See you later.
Yeah.
Is that because all the AI shit that NVIDIA, is that what caused that?
You can call it the AI shit. The AI shit's obviously driving the market right now, but this is a technical setup, dude. Like, oh, the AI shit. Well, what about this inverse head and shoulders pattern down here? That means nothing, right? It means nothing. It means nothing. It means nothing. Yeah, nothing. Complete trend reversal pattern means nothing. Sure. AI. Yeah, AI.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Well, but that's what's pushing, like, there's like in general, though, right? Isn't that why they're getting a lot of attention right now? They're heavy into the AI shit. Because the one thing technicals can't take into factor is human nature and the human psychology behind
what
it. You know?
are you talking about? Charts are all psychology and all. That's exactly what's happening on the chart.
You can't, like drip. When you try and chart drip, you can't factor in the fact that people are going to make it mint another million probably in the next 3 days.
I mean, no. So like the chart
like that. I mean,
that's
like
different. You're talking about a token that's got stupid supply issues.
No, I'm that's what I'm saying though. Like that's the part that when you're charting and doing TA though, that only part you can't factor in is like that, or like if the team.
What he's saying, what he's saying is you can't factor in them coming out with a new phenomenal product and how people are going to react to that product, or if the product fails, how people are going to react.
There you go. That's a good way of.
Yes, but you can have an inkling to know what, like the next news drop that NVIDIA drops right here. I bet it's going to cause a sell-off. Why? Because, well, look at the momentum. It's pointing down. Well, look at the RSI. It's sitting at fucking 90. Right. It's a short up here. It's not a buy up here. It's a short up here.
Yeah.
On the weekly chart. On the monthly chart, it's diverging on the monthly already. Okay.
It's still pretty high right now, though, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. What are you going to buy NVIDIA up here, dude?
No, I'm not buying it at all.
I'm just saying. Like the buy was on the retest of this massive channel breakout, and it went. It's holding its parabolic trend line too, right? So there's a huge parabola structure here, right? You guys see this, right? I'm drawing this
parabola.
You can see it. It's literally holding this parabola. It's fucking straight up, dude.
It is following that fucker fucking to a T.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. It looked like elephant money before the exploit.
I think Bitcoin. I drew the parabola on here too. So Bitcoin, and I actually drew it on the. You know what? I'll redraw it. It's fine. So I drew this chart for TradingView. Actually, you know, let's pull it up. Here it is. Here's the TradingView chart that I did. Okay, and you can see that I said that falling wedge alert on Bitcoin. This was on June 19th when the price was 26,897. You can see there right on the board there. So before the breakout, the falling wedge, the 1, 2, 3, the fourth. This is the fourth or fifth touch off this parabola structure that Bitcoin's holding. That's why we saw such a massive rally off this low. All right, and yeah, it's the opposite of NVIDIA. The stochastics are at the bottom. This thing has lots of room to the upside. It's a great long-term buy down here. Not financial advice. Yeah, Bitcoin.
That's what you call predicting the future, folks.
Yep.
He's our fortune teller.
It actually wouldn't shock me if Bitcoin did one of these, like literally just up to here, next run or some shit.
Oh.
Just straight up.
Wow.
Inflation up.
Back in the fucking
inflation up. Bitcoin up. Inflation down, Bitcoin
That'd
down.
be crazy. That'd be crazy, dude.
Is it
Bitcoin
pumping?
just do some stupid shit like that?
Is it pumping right now because institutions are buying it?
Look at that, man. You can't make this shit up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the power. Look at the structure.
Can't make this shit up.
TA is fake, guys. TA is fake. Said no one ever. And look, downtrend broken, right? Broken downtrend, breakout, back test. One more rally up, consolidation. Now rally. I mean, this chart is literally a trader's dream chart.
What's FTC token look like?
What is FTX?
FTC. I seen that.
Oh, FTC. Hell, it's looking like
Is that
garbage.
that one that just was the rug pull?
It was.
It was a rug pull.
No, it wasn't a rug pull.
Wait, this is a.
It wasn't a rug pull?
Oh, that's a stock, isn't it?
No, that's not the right one.
That's
not the right one.
Some rug pull that happened today, right?
You said it wasn't a rug pull?
No.
Oh, it wasn't. Okay.
Then why did it look like a rug pull? It went from like 30 million in liquidity down to 9.
Because BT fucking helped him out with a flash loan.
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
Damn, he got H&W'd.
But that's why I kind of slow played when we talked about it, right? I was doing my research on it, and I slow played it because I didn't like. That's why you kept asking if I got the link, and I was just kind of like, "Yeah, I'm signing up," and I was, but I didn't get into it because I wanted to see what was playing out with that token they just launched, right? And I think that if they hadn't launched the token, that well, obviously that wouldn't happen. But there should be more answers on it tomorrow. But the lending is what I was interested in.
Huh. I don't know. It looks like a rug pull to me.
I haven't even seen the chart. I just
it looks bad, dude. I showed. I sent you a DM on it.
You did. I seen
my
that
DM?
one, but I haven't seen it in I just seen the screenshot you sent me or the chart you sent me.
Yeah.
I actually opened it though.
Yeah,
I seen it.
wrecked.
Yeah, no. Somebody messaged me this morning and said, "Hold off on fucking FinTalk for now."
Okay.
Apple's a dividend paying stock? I didn't know that. I've never bought it.
You don't want to short the Golden Knights, that's for sure.
Nope, definitely don't want to short them.
How's our shit dollar holding up? Oh wait,
Good call, BlackSheep. Good call.
getting fucking wrecked. Look at this fucking shit dollar we have.
I missed a great opportunity there, BlackSheep. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, I got it. I got you back.
Jesus, is that that's the US dollar?
Yep, US dollar index. Yep.
Yep.
Double top. See you later. Bye bye. This thing's done, man. It's gonna go to fucking 100 on the index.
I have a question, like with the index. So, like that's something I've never really followed. Where do they get like these numbers? What are they do they compare it against, like versus other currencies or what?
Yes. The DXY is an index of the euro. I think the yen. Hang on a second, I can tell you.
So similar to like the Bitcoin, I mean like the USDC dominance shit we use in crypto.
Right.
Similar to that? Okay.
Similar to that. So it's the euro, the yen, the sterling, pound, the Canadian dollar, the Swedish krona, and the Swiss franc.
Okay, so all the biggest.
So
money.
the euro, in my opinion, the euro versus the dollar is going to be rallying. Like almost guarantee you this thing is rallying right now. I'm going to stop. Look at that. Double bottom, right? It's the inverse chart of the dollar right now. The euro is going to make moves against the dollar.
Really? Aren't they? I thought their recession is already hitting them way worse. Like Germany who's their biggest economy, was the first one to officially say, "Hey, we are in a recession." You know,
Bro, I mean, this chart doesn't look bearish to me. It looks bullish, right? Like it hasn't broke out versus the dollar, but look what it's doing against versus the dollar. That is a falling wedge pattern on a 3-month chart.
yeah.
So sell dollars for euros if you got fiat.
So wouldn't this, like, looking at that, show then that Europe is already starting to potentially pull out of their recession that they just officially, some of the countries officially announced, or does that not, play a part in the recession? Because I mean,
I'm not sure. I'm not sure how this relates to a recession. This is just looking at the currency strength.
Okay.
Versus the dollar.
Yeah, because unless the dollar is just
look at that 6-month hammer candle, dude. Look at that fucking thing. That's crazy, bro.
6-month hammer candle.
That's a 6-month hammer candle, dude.
Damn.
Yeah, man. The euro is going to go to the fucking moon versus the dollar. This thing is going back to $1.60. That's where it's going. That's where it's going. That's the target.
So our currency is just getting obliterated, huh?
Our dollar is going to get destroyed. Yeah.
What's the Vietnamese
How's it looking
dollar
today? Did you say our dollar's looking good or no?
Right
now?
Our dollar's looking like shit. It's in a huge. Look at this. This is a 6-month fucking doji reversal candle.
Damn.
Like that's like fuck you, dollar. We're gonna go all the way down. Yeah, you short that shit.
Now is the only reason why like the euro's looking good, even though they're in a recession, is because the dollar is just sucking that bad that it's making the other currencies look better. Is that why it would look more bullish for the euro?
It's just outperforming the dollar is all. It's just outperforming the dollar. Yeah,
look at how Shug explains it. Shane just means dollar is making a fatter turd into it than euro. Oh, okay. That's all you had to say.
Yeah, man.
Something that makes sense.
This candle right here is a disgusting reversal candle. Like, if I saw this on the chart that I was trading on Bitcoin, I'd sell all my fucking Bitcoin. Every single one of it. Last one of them. Because this to me means that Bitcoin's going to be seeing... This is a 6-month candle, bro. That means months, maybe even years of downside. Right? The significance of the time scale here is important to understand. It's not a daily reversal. It's a 6-month reversal. So, yeah, that's why we're looking at a 2-year bull market coming. Right?
So where was COVID around those 2 yellows? Around there?
COVID on what? The 6-month chart? You're not going to be able to see it there.
On that chart, you were just
So COVID was right here. This was COVID. This was the COVID low on the market.
And that's all the pump that the Feds put into the market that low?
No. So it's the inverse, right? So this right here, the dollar topped out. You can see this top right here. Dollar topped out. Same high. Double top. This right here was our 21 bull run. This downside on the dollar. Right? And then it made a double bottom. And that was the end of the bull market for crypto. Right? And this was the bear market for crypto. And in January here, or right when we started breaking this parabolic trend line right here, this is when the bottom was in. Right? November of 22 was the bottom for Bitcoin. Was it not? It was the bottom.
Yep.
It was the bottom for my master nodes. I know that.
There you go. There you go. That's it.
Damn. So we've been in a bull market for months now.
We've been technically in a recovery / I would call it you can call it a bear market rally because that's what it is right now.
Hey, what country has the strongest fiat though? Is it right now? Is it China? Because I know some like China's people say by 2030 they're probably going to have the biggest economy in the world and be running the fucking the international world. Are they having issues right now that like a lot of the other countries are seeing?
I don't know.
You only follow like the full index?
What's the yen look like?
I only look at the dollar really because that's all I transact in is dollars.
Yeah.
But like if I was moving to a different country, I'd want to look at that currency and see what it buys me.
Huh.
Yeah, like when I've met people when they like trade currencies, was that? Is that like Forex trading when they trade like currency trading?
Yep.
I was like, what the fuck? They're like, yeah, you just trade one country's currency for the next for the whichever one's doing better, just like you would with crypto or stocks. I was like, what the fuck?
Wow. Yeah,
I
man.
didn't know
We're probably going to see $150,000 to $160,000 Bitcoin. See the 618 up here? See this trend line? This trend line right here is the top side of the resistance. But if we follow the parabola structure, we're going to go up. We're going to go up. We're going to go way up. We're going to come back down, retest this low, and then we're going to rally off of it. We're just going to keep doing this all the way the fuck up. And we're going to ride this thing all the way till we top out. And then we'll probably crash. We will probably break the parabola. And then we'll start a new downtrend, come back down to maybe 30K, and then make a rally, and then make a higher low, and then go on our next bull run.
Crazy. Into like what, 2030?
2030, yep. Probably $1 million Bitcoin by 2030.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then your dollar won't be worth anything. It'll be worth nothing.
Right.
Because that's when, by that time, CBDC shit will be in effect.
Oh, yeah.
Well, there will be no more cash. You won't be able to transact anything in cash anymore by 2030.
Yeah.
Yeah, scary stuff, but well, that's why we're here. We know what these charts say, so we gotta, you know.
That's why I've been here since 2017, baby.
That's
right.
Paving the way.
That's right.
Yep, I've just passed my 4 years in crypto at the beginning of this month. Ludo. God, why do these dogs have to fucking...
Is your dog's name Luna?
Wrecked.
No, Ludo, like from
Luna.
like from what's it called? Labyrinth. The big dog creature thing, Ludo.
Yeah.
Oh, Ludo. Yep.
So what else you guys want to look at?
Look at these nuts.
Nothing.
We don't need to look at anything else. The 6-month fucking reversal candle on the dollar tells the whole thing. That's all I need to know.
Everything else is fucking gold.
Anything paired to the dollar right now should be going up.
Nice. Good shit.
Long term, anyway. Long term. We looked at a 6-month chart.
Oh yeah, Zen. Let's look at the Zen shitcoin.
Let's look at that squeeze on Zen, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, pick which one of the shit coins you want to do it.
So Evan, when the dollar goes down, everything else that's paired to it goes up?
In theory, yes.
Gotcha. Okay.
Are we forming another bottom?
Hey,
Holy
hold on,
shit.
PCM. Before you
Higher
come
low?
on, fix your name. No, wait. I don't know if he wants. Hold on, Mike. Do you want your full name like that showing? You see how his name's showing?
I don't know. He had to put it on there.
All right. Well, I'll let him. I didn't know if he wanted his last name.
Now.
I didn't know if he wanted his last name on there.
This is
Hey, you guys are all wrong on this BTC. I'm sorry.
Of course we are.
This is a false flag. It's only because of the.
Who told you this, Kramer?
It's all no.
Yeah,
It's
Kramer,
only because
yeah.
of the ETF talk. It pumped BTC, and it's going to take 240 days before BlackRock will even get that thing approved. So, in another 2 weeks, BTC is going to go down. So, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry. It's a
Another
false
2 weeks.
flag.
There's a lot of other people filing for their ETFs too, though.
Well, fine, but it takes 240 days to get approved.
I believe 240 days is how many months, dude?
Okay, well, it's still a false flag, yes. So think about that before you guys all get fucking hard-ons over BTC.
We all just bought some.
You just remember you heard that on the longest day of the year, June 21st. Also, you need to short Apple stock. It's at all-time high. and
I'll
the
leave that up to
dividend
you to
comes
short
out on
it.
Monday,
You
and as soon as the dividend comes
you
out,
show me, Mike.
Okay,
You show
listen to
me.
me.
We don't
Apple
give
does it every
financial
time the
advice here,
dividend.
Mike.
We get Apple stock, okay? We get the dividend every 4 months. It drops right after the dividend date. So I'm just telling you, Monday's the dividend date. Watch what happens on
the
Tuesday.
whole Nasdaq is gonna pull back, of course.
Mike, shut the fuck up.
If I want to short Apple, I would do it today before the
Go
dividend
ahead,
hits
bro.
on Monday.
Show me your short. Show me your fucking short.
I don't short my own stock.
do it.
I don't
Why are
do
you
that.
so why are you telling other people to short it?
Go do it.
Well, I'm just telling people if they want to short something, that's a perfect stock to do because Monday
Well, that would
is
be giving
8
financial advice.
Dude,
Yeah.
did you not just listen to my whole
And I'm
spiel
not
about-
taking financial advice from you. Sorry.
Did you not just hear my whole spiel about fucking the DXY and it just put a 6
I know,
month fucking reversal
I
candle in?
understand that, but I'm just talking about one stock itself, not just the whole DXY.
I understand that, but you
Apple
don't.
is a perfect stock.
Hey, Black Sheep.
You can be researching all this stuff,
Oh,
and I know exactly what.
Fucking short Facebook too. This thing's in the fucking moon, dude. Like, yeah, the weekly chart's fucking overbought, just like Apple. Short it, go please. Short it. Show
Can
me.
we look at Kodak? Who was the one that was saying to start bringing Kodak up? Was it PCM?
Kodak looks like dog shit. Please don't put your money in this stock. Oh man, it broke. It actually broke it. Okay, it broke this resistance. Fine.
Well, because
it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back down to $4. Okay.
Wasn't it PCM who brought it up though? Because they started.
You're gonna come down to this ice line right here and retest this low. If you hold this low, you can build up some momentum back to the upside. But for now, your stochastics are telling you that you're close to being topped out on momentum on the weekly chart.
What is it again that Kodak just got into? I can't even remember. A new industry or something.
I don't know.
Batteries, I think. EV batteries or something, right?
Okay. There is a valid structure to Kodak here. I personally will not be buying Kodak. But yes, it can do one of these candles. Yeah, we've seen it before. And yes, it broke out and it's back testing. And if we go to the 2-day and the 3-day chart, you can see that, well, the momentum's topping out. It's curling over. We're going to get it back.
How long ago was that last big pump they had, like 1983?
No, this was August 20. This is when Trump said that they were using blockchain or some shit.
Baby girls.
Okay.
Anyways, well, I'm glad Mike's gone. That was bad. Sorry, Mike. I love you, dude. But when you come on here fucking telling people to short a stock that you own and you won't even short it yourself, please.
And we don't give financial advice. We just give our opinions.
Correct. This is just for entertainment purposes only.
Yeah. There's a fine line between giving financial advice and giving your opinion. And that's all we do. Just like on your channel, all you do is give your personal opinion and
total coming back into the structure, baby. Woo! Send it.
What is that?
That's the total market cap for Bitcoin or for crypto.
For all of crypto, not just DeFi, correct?
Everything. Total.
Okay.
$1.14 trillion asset classes right here.
Nice. Well, I'll smoke to that one, though.
Baby, we're gonna be fucking lit. We're gonna be lit with cash that's worth. We're gonna be lit with cash that's worth nothing. How about that?
Yeah. The more I think about that, it's kind of funny that PCM was telling people to short a stock that him and his wife hold a big bag of.
So dumb, dude. Why would you want that? If anything, you know what's funny is, you know what?
He's probably right. I'm
not
He'd
saying
be better off shorting his dick.
I'm not saying he's wrong.
Yeah.
But like, look at the 3 month on Apple. You want to short? You want a short-term short Apple? This thing is in a fucking breakout, dude. Good fucking luck shorting the biggest fucking stock in fucking the stock market.
Biggest company in the world.
Yeah, dude. You're gonna short this motherfucker? I mean, yeah, it looks like you should short it, but you're gonna get fucking wrecked.
Yeah.
You're gonna get fucking
like
wrecked.
I believe him when he says like right around the time that they do like dividends or earnings, whatever the reason he said. I believe him. I think he probably knows because he's been holding, him and his wife have had it long enough.
I'm not saying that it's not a good short.
Yeah, but I can never imagine telling people to short it.
No,
when
Just
you're
short that
holding,
chart.
when you're holding a big bag.
Fuck shorting.
Unless it's just a quick scalp, you know, like
It's literally you're literally trying to catch maybe a 5% or 10% move.
Can you
down
even
on
do
Apple.
quick scalps in the stock market like that?
Yeah,
you can do option trades. Yeah. But
Yeah.
no,
It's just
I think it's not a short.
bigger money.
Oh my god, it's so perfect. It's going to go to the top of the channel, and that's where you should short it. How about that, fucking Mike? God, fuck man.
You got to give PCM a break. I think he gets most of his information from like Kramer or someone on Fox News, probably.
Well, that's what happens when the market's dumping.
No shit, Mike. Why don't you fucking tell me some more of your genius fucking wisdom?
Doesn't take a fucking cab driver rocket science to figure that one out, you dumb.
Well, it doesn't take a fucking senile, half senile 70-year-old fucking broke dick motherfucking Jew to tell me either.
All right. We got a huge setup on this asset. This
Chicago
asset,
was on that one. I miss him.
This asset right here, bro, is going to go to the moon. I don't know what this thing does, but it's going to go to the moon. Akala network. Akala network.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it's a dot ecosystem token.
Oh shit.
Fuck. All right, I think I've exhausted my time on this stream.
Okay.
I should probably eat some dinner
good.
before I fucking chop somebody's head off.
Dude, it's not like you gotta cook it. Just go get a fucking spoon, some raw meat.
Shut up,
meat.
dude.
Yeah.
I don't have any that's unfrozen. I actually
His wife is she's like, no, it's either frozen or it's got to get cooked. No way.
pretty much, dude. Pretty much. She does not like me eating raw meat. Yeah.
I don't blame her. She wants you to fucking be around. I mean, I understand the healthy aspect of it, but I also understand the danger aspect of it.
Yeah, I get it.
She needs you around for them little kids, man. She can't be chasing them around by herself.
Yeah, it's true. All right, well, how about Algorand? This thing is in a fucking setup, dude. You should long that shit, bro.
Oh shit!
Dude, I was looking for that earlier.
Damn.
Now I know which one it is.
I'm up $20 on my Filecoin. Send it.
Post it, man. Post it to the chat. Be like, Mr. Nodal called out on live stream.
What, just since the stream?
Oh, shit, Algorand's on here too. I didn't even see that. Algorand's on the Pancake Perpetuals.
Algorand's a slower mover than Filecoin, but yeah, dude, look at this wick.
Okay.
This thing is gonna send, bro. It's gonna send. Don't worry, it will send. And
I'm good. I'm in Filecoin, man. My money's on Filecoin. I mean, if this is the bottom, then...
This is the bottom. Yes, this is the bottom for most of these assets for sure, 100%.
Cool. Fucking send it.
Yeah. I hope I 10x my portfolio on this fucking run.
I hope you do too. I hope you fucking 20x it, brother.
I put a lot of time into these charts, man.
I hope everybody does.
I hope everybody does too. Well, thanks again for letting me on the show, and
man. Thanks for coming on.
if you guys want to support what I do, you guys can join my Discord. You guys can check out some of the products we have. If you want to follow my trades directly, I have an alert service. It's $97 a month, but if you're from the Sheep community, I will extend a 50% discount to all of those that are part of that. And let me help you change your life, guys. That's it. I'm here to change your life. So take action. Take action today.
And guys, don't forget this BSC address right here. I mean, even if it's you only sent him
it's pinned in the YouTube chat.
It's a couple bucks.
It's pinned in the Node Calls channel on our.
Oh shit!
Whoops,
yes, I mean, you could send him a fucking $1. I mean, it all builds up, it adds up, and he appreciates it all.
So Zen looks good, though? Zen looks good?
Yeah, I think I was in the middle of charting it before I got rudely interrupted by a gentleman that came on the stream.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. So You got the rally, and you got a higher low forming here. You can clearly see that this is rounding out a bottom, and you're probably going to make a higher high on this price on this nice momentum swing back up. So yeah, I'm thinking it gets up, probably breaks there, and it eventually gets here because after it gets here, it's straight up. There's nothing here. It's straight down, so straight up. There's no resistance after you break this area here. Okay, so this area right here on Zen, once you break above that, it's moon time for this asset. There's nothing here. I should probably buy a bag of this fucking thing.
Good shit. Yeah, because like, dude, those are Centurions next year, man. Like 2020, 2024, July 2024. Do you have a prediction if it does some crazy shit between now and then?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you.
I don't know if you can forecast that far in the future.
It's also hyper inflating like crazy. That's the other shit.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda, maybes.
Is there any way to like on charts to like
July 2024?
All I have to say, dude, is this. The weekly RSI on this asset is literally not even a fucking 1, okay? It's literally just straight up. This thing is going to go straight up. This is a weekly chart, It's not at 20. It's not at 18. It's at 1 on the RSI.
1. It's at 1.
Look at the squeeze on this motherfucker, dude. Look at this squeeze on this motherfucker.
Yeah, it can't get fucking lower than that, basically.
Like I have to literally zoom in on the squeeze to even get to the squeeze.
Damn, look, keep going.
Yeah, exactly. Right? It's so tight. So fucking tight.
Hey, now when you're doing like TA and charting, though, there is no tool to factor in, like, say if they were inflating their, I don't know, I'm just gonna use a random number. Say if like
there's no
a day.
There's no fundamentals. There's no fundamentals that go into technicals. So, but what would factor into that is maybe less of a performance of the pattern. So, if a normal asset would appreciate 5x, okay, with a normal supply of tokens or whatever, then this asset might not appreciate 5x and may only do like a 2x or like a double up or something, right?
Okay, like factoring in the to kind of even it out,
right?
Because that's hard to do. Like with drip, when you try and chart drip, it's like because drip can either be where it's not minting at all, which then I feel like the TA it's going to follow it, but when it's minting like crazy.
You need want to be well to chart drip.
Hey, baby, somebody say I want to be well, man. I pray you the chart. He's like, hey, Jesus, what's going to happen? Drip. And he's like, hey, $1 million. Let's go, $1 million. But if that ain't $1 million, it's a goodbye. Hey, right, Mr. Evan? Drip's good as long as it's less than $1 million.
Drip's going to go to the moon. Yeah, it will go to the moon. I think $5. That's what I think.
Yep.
$5 maybe to come out and take a shit and the price goes to $1 million. You better watch it.
If it goes to $5, Chris is buying me a plane ticket out to Vegas. What?
Oh, man, you think I got these big old rip muscles from being wrong about drip, man? Look at this. Yeah, man, I'd kiss him if I could, but I ain't got no neck to move.
All right, boys. I'm going to jump. Thanks again for all your guys' support. And if you guys want to tip me, I appreciate that. If not, again, you can come support me in my Discord. You can join the Discord. It's discord.gg/swing trade pros. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Thank you, dude.
See you guys next week.
Yeah, bro. Thanks. See ya.
Cool. You want to call it? I need to get ready for my hockey clinic soon, anyways.
Yeah, we can call it. I'm cooking dinner.
Cool.
All right, let's do it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same channel. We're almost at episode 1,000, guys. Episode 1,000 coming soon.
Win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo, 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 shooting to the moon,
and go.
I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm. I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm. I wanna pom pom pom. You wanna pom pom pom. She wanna pom pom pom. We wanna pom pom. Let's go get pom pom pom. You wanna pom pom pom. She wanna pom pom pom. We wanna pom pom pom.
Maybe if I look it upside down. Come on, you just whacked it. Stop, right? Come on. Yeah. It doesn't even look real.